Hello, this is Ashwin Purohit from Olheiser Corporation. I have this set up here for one of our customers to run various light configurations. So I just wanted to show what this system is capable of. We have 4 switches here on a box with wiring. The wiring can be changed to other lengths and things like that if we need. This customer wanted us to be able to turn on the center stack and then be able to turn on each individual separately as well. So we can turn them on individually, as well as having a dimmer. So there is a dimmer here, so we can raise and lower the brightness. It gets very bright in here, so I won't go to full brightness. And then you can turn them off individually if you need to, and have any configuration you would like. So just wanted to show the functionality. Thank you.